everyone, welcome to Oracle SQL interview question series. Today we are going to see on that find the employees who have at least one person reporting to them. Okay, so we can write this statement that is based on the scenario questions. We can write 3 to 4 ways we can write the SQL statement. Okay, first we can take the employees table. Okay, select from employees. In this employees table, we should take the reporting person. Okay, that is with whom we are reporting means to manager we are reporting. So get the manager data, manager ID. Okay, now once you execute this statement, now see here we got the manager ID. This ID, each of the ID it is presented more than one time. Now see here 100 it is presented 2 times and 103 is presented 3 times it is presented. Okay, when we see that 108 it is presented the 4 times. That is more than one time it is presented. Okay, the manager ID. So we find the distinct manager ID. Okay, that is unique manager ID we can take it up. So once we take means, see here this one the count of the rows it is 19 it is presented. Okay, so we can get to know that 19 manager it is only it is available in employees table. This manager 19 manager only it will circulate to that all the employees. Okay, now we start to write it up. Now we can take the manager ID now we have taken. Okay, when we execute this statement it is showing that a single row and a single column and a multi row it is presented. Okay, single column and a multi row it is presented. Okay, so see here single column and multi row. Okay, single column and multi row it is presented when we execute this statement. So here we should use the subquery we should use. Okay, in this form the keyword it is in, any, not, so like that all we can use it. Okay, now we'll start this first statement with help of subqueries. Okay, here I am taking the employee ID only I am taking from the table name. My table name it is employees 1 and you are giving the conditions because we are writing the subqueries where employee ID in, within this we are calling the manager ID, then only we can get the reporting persons. Okay, now close the statement and run it. Once we are running means see here we get the result, that is employee ID we got the result set. Okay, now sometimes they will ask that I need that all the data in the employees, so that time instead of using that employee ID just use a star. Okay, otherwise what are the field it is available just write it here. Okay, now execute the statement. Now we get it the result it is all the data in this employees to the reporting persons. Okay, so see here 18 rows is populated. Okay, with help of that single column and multi row subqueries. First result set. Second we can use a join. In this first we'll take that employee ID. Okay, and take the table name. Here we have that only one table only it is presented as of now. For that just take that alias is E. My second table it is, that is employees 1. Here you are giving that alias is M you are giving. Okay, where here we want to give the conditions. Okay, E dot employee ID equal to M dot manager ID. Okay, Now you are calling that employee ID. Okay, that time what it is happening means, see here, in this table also it is employee ID, it is presented, and this employee one second table also employee ID presented. If you are not mentioning that e dot employee ID in this first, okay, that time it will show that column ambiguity, that is the statement get confused, which employee ID I can take it. Okay, so for that reason we should mention, okay, from this first table I am taking the employee ID. Now select the statement and run it. Now see here, we got the result, we got it. Now count the rows, we got that 104 record it is presented, because why it is means, here we have the taken that the employee ID we have taken. Okay, that is it is considering to that all the employee IDs. So instead of taken like that, we should use a distinct, okay, distinct employee ID. Now select the statement and run it. See here, once we run means we got the result set, it is 18 rows it's populated. Okay. If you are not using the distinct keyword, the total number of the rows it is populated, it is 104 record it is populated. That is all the records it's available in the table. But you should mention the distinct keyword here. Then we can get the result set. Then we can get the result set employees who have at least one person reporting to the managers. Okay. And third one, we can write the same only. Just copy the statement and paste down. Okay. Here we have taken the inner join statement. Okay. But you should not take that left join. But you can check with the right join. Because why I am telling means, in this right side table, okay, right side table, we have considered that manager ID we are considering. Okay, so based on that we can get the result, the data how we get it in the previous, like that we can get it. Now here we have executed the statement. Okay, so that time we got the result set with help of that inner join. Okay, now if I use the left join means what it will happen now. Now see here, if you are using the left join, you should use a plus icon at the end. Now select this statement. Okay, now select the statement and run it. Now see here, we got the result set. It is the count of rows is 105 record it is populated, because here we have taken the left table, that is left join we are taken. Our left table it is considered employees 1, right table it is employees 1, the alias is M. Okay, in this right side table only we taken the manager ID. In the left side table we have taken that employee ID, not manager ID. Okay, so that's the reason we got that all the employee IDs presented with the help of left join. Now if you take the right join here, okay, change the plus icon before the equal symbol. Okay, now execute the statement, we can get the correct result set. Now see the count of the rows, it's 19. Why it is 19 means, here our right side table it is, we are considering with manager ID. That's the reason we got the 19. Here one null value it is presented. So before the data, before in the second statement we got the 18, it is total number of the record, we got the 18. Okay, but here we got 19 because of here null values it is presented, that's the reason we got the 19. So this way we can find out the employees who have at least one person reporting to them. Okay, and also here in Oracle we have that keyword to join the two tables. Okay, that is left join, okay, and right join. Whenever you are using the join, the keyword and all, you should not use a where, you should use that keyword on. Now, once you change the keyword, here no need to use that plus icon and all. Okay, now select the statement and run it. This is left join. Okay, I already said that left join, we have taken the employee ID. That's the reason we got the total number of the rows is 105 record it is we got. Okay, if we considering right join, okay, that time it will consider right side table, and in the right side we have taken that manager ID. Now select the statement, now run it. Now see here we got the result, it is 19 rows we got it. Okay, so this way we can find out. Thank you for watching. If this session is really helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it and share it and like it. We see you on the next interview questions and answer. Thank you so much.